Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video, we got a really cool, brand new Hot Wheel RLC Mercedes AMG G63 4x4 squared. And this thing just came out and it looks absolutely amazing. But before we kind of take it out of the plastic protector, seeing it up close, I do want to mention I do have a merch store, and currently I'm doing a giveaway for this Lego Fast and the Furious Skyline GTR R34, and even comes with a little Paul Walker minifigure. This thing is absolutely amazing. It could be yours for free. All you have to do is hop onto my merch store, and for every $5 you spend, you automatically get entered into this giveaway. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. And I even have one of these available on my merch store. So whenever you purchase one of these, you're automatically going to get a bunch of entries into this. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. But let's go ahead and get into this. I'm not going to be doing like a full unboxing, but I will be taking it out of the plastic protector, checking it out up close, and showing you guys a lot of the details. And wow, this thing looks absolutely amazing. The packaging is kind of formed to the car, so it's kind of throwing some weird reflections, but that blue looks amazing. You can see it there in the picture. But this thing is absolutely incredible. There's that Mercedes kind of iconic grille, and then even on the back it has the spare. It has a little carbon fiber kind of a pattern, and it has a little Mercedes logo. It says 4x4 squared. And I think this is the first time, or maybe the first time that I've really noticed, not only does the truck have Real Rider tires on the main all four, even the spare is Real Rider. So a lot of times in the back I've seen some cars, whether it be super treasure hunts or stuff like that, the back tire is not rubber. So it's kind of cool seeing that on this. But yeah, those tires look aggressive, and even the tread pattern, I don't know if it's really showing up, looks really good as well. When you flip it around to the back, that's what the back looks like. You can obviously see the truck through the little window there. And they finally start bringing back the numbered sticker. So this one right there, I don't know if you can really see it. There we go. You can see it's out of 30,000. So this one in particular is 10,473 out of 30,000. And if you guys do want to read that text, you guys can go ahead and pause it there and read it. But I think this thing is absolutely amazing. It looks really, really good. And like I said, since I have a couple of these on my merch store, I'm not gonna really worry about the number. So the first one that sells, I'm gonna send the lowest number first. But yeah, I think this thing looks really, really cool. And honestly, let me know what you guys think of this. I know it's the first time I think in a while that they've done a big SUV or a truck, because recently there's been a lot of cars, and you haven't really seen Mercedes for a while. They had the 300 SL in kind of the Hot Wheel RLC, but those were also the little acrylic case and not carded like this. So it's kind of interesting seeing a bigger kind of SUV truck in a carded form. But like I said, if you guys want to pick one of these up, there's going to be a link in the description down below to my merch store. It is very limited, so first come, first serve. And like I said, you automatically get entered into the giveaway. But if you guys did like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos, not only just like this, but I do a lot of other Hot Wheel videos, case unboxing, stuff like that. So definitely go check those out. But if you guys like the video, like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.